Good afternoon, my beautiful people. Welcome back to Positive Channel. So I want to tell you guys something. I got this request video, and guess what just came? My hiccups. So I was supposed to do an ASMR jumping while my hiccups come. So they just started today. So I'm gonna be jumping right now because I have my hiccups. A lot of y'all are really want this hiccup to come, so it is here. You know, the funny thing, I'm moving up and down, so that's why it started. So here is the hiccup video that y'all requested for me to do for y'all. I got the hiccups. So let's get started. Let's go. Let's jump around. I don't know how long this video is going to be. So my hiccups are here. So we're just gonna jump. ASMR jumping while having my hiccups. My hiccups just came out of nowhere. So now y'all will get an extra vlog from me. Yay, yay. I'm jumping.